Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to properly connect 4 PV modules to the EZHI. When connecting PV modules to the EZHI, the recommended maximum overmatching per channel is 900 watts, and the open circuit voltage of modules in a single channel must not exceed 60 volts. If you are connecting 4 modules, 2 modules should first be wired in parallel and then connected to the same channel. For this, you'll need 2 pairs of Y-type connectors, with each pair consisting of a positive Y-type connector and a negative Y-type connector. Let's start by connecting 2 modules to one EZHI channel. Using DC extension cables, connect the positive terminals of the 2 modules to the positive Y-type connector, and the negative terminals of the 2 modules to the negative Y-type connector. Then, connect both Y-type connectors to the same channel of the EZHI, making sure positives and negatives match correctly. Repeat the same process for the other 2 modules, connecting them to the second channel of the EZHI. At this point, the 4 modules are properly connected to the EZHI. To avoid wiring mistakes, let's review 3 common errors. 1. A single pair of Y-type connectors is connected to 2 different channels of the EZHI. 2. The positive and negative terminals of modules in one channel are mistakenly connected to the Y-type connectors of another channel. 3. The positive and negative terminals of a single pair of Y-type connectors are reversed in the same channel of the EZHI. Please make sure to avoid these wiring mistakes. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.